Hi everyone, my name is Parker Doris and I'm the Bluetooth Product Manager at Silicon Labs. I'm here to introduce Certificate-Based Authentication and Pairing, or in short the CBAP system for Bluetooth LE devices. CBAP streamlines the authentication and pairing process, ensuring both speed and security while mitigating human error. Device onboarding becomes challenging in applications like commercial lighting, electronic shelf labels, and occupancy control in multi-story buildings. These are applications with crowded wireless environments and a high volume of devices and configurations. In these cases, onboarding with authentication and pairing methods that need manual interaction can be impractical, costly, and time-consuming, leading to many bottlenecks. CBAP streamlines onboarding in these cases with digital certificates to authenticate devices. Human error and limited scalability are significant concerns when pairing devices manually. Entering incorrect passkeys or PINs can lead to failed pairings and data breaches. In addition, manual authentication adds a layer of complexity by demanding additional verification steps. In contrast, CBAP relies on trusted device certificates for secure, encrypted connections, eliminating passkeys and the need for manual intervention. Manual methods open the door to counterfeit or malicious devices infiltrating the network, as passkeys alone lack the capability to guarantee device identity. On the other hand, CBAP guarantees trusted manufacturer origin and proof of identity. It prevents man-in-the-middle threats, offering one- or two-way authenticated connections. Thank you for joining me for this introduction to certificate-based authentication and pairing. CBAP offers a scalable approach to automatically verify connection authenticity, facilitating secure device pairing without the need for manual intervention. If you're looking to implement CBAP, we're here to help. Contact us to learn more about the Silicon Labs offerings. Thank you.